Hey Susan, this is Cisco from Amplified. We spoke on Friday. I promised I would send you a free video doing a website audit, so I'm going to go ahead and jump right to it. So, Susan, right away, some of the things that I look for is I look at content. Do you currently have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content within your website? And here's a specific keyword: Florida's West Coast HVAC. And I also look at, when it comes to your content, do you have keywords? And the reason why is because a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And you want to have it within your content because you want to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. For example, if you do AC repair in Sarasota, then you want to tell them, like, hey, I do AC repair in Sarasota, Florida. And that is just an example. But overall, good looking website. You do need to have a little bit more content, but that's why we're doing this website audit. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right over to this tab here. This is a tool called Ahrefs. I use this because it helps you understand how strong any website. In this case, we're gonna review your website, how strong and how trustful your website is doing, and then what keywords are you currently being ranked for. So let's jump over to this section. So currently right now you're being indexed at 24. This is your strength or your authority score, and then this is your trustworthy score. So you're 24 and 12. What we do look for is a golden ratio, meaning that your scores are very close to each other. Ideally, you want to have, for example, 24 for your strength and then another 24, 23 for your trustworthy score, because that helps with you being ranked higher on Google for any specific keyword. Now let's go and jump over to this section. So you currently right now you have over 1,000 backlinks with only 128 referring domains. Now a backlink, Susan, is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Now, not all backlinks though are created equal. Okay, so that's something very important to note. And you want to get backlinks or referring domains within your industry, within the HVAC industry. Because if you were to get a backlink, like let's say from a pizzeria or Pizza Hut, that's the food industry. You're not in the food industry, so it could hinder these scores, which is probably what's happening. Not exactly sure. I would have to dive in a little bit deeper. Now, the last thing I want to go over is your organic keywords. What specific keywords is your website ranking for on Google? Okay, so what I'm looking for is buyer intent keywords. For example, this guy here, HVAC repair Florida. This is the keyword HVAC repair Florida. The reason why I'm looking for this is because one, whoever searches for HVAC repair in Florida is one, you know that you're going to get a client that's in Florida, and then two, they're looking for specific services. Now this is broader because it's all of Florida. So what I'm looking for is something like this, HVAC Sarasota. Okay, because now it's in a specific area that you service. And looking at your services and your website, you service Sarasota. So these are the type of keywords that you want to be ranking for. Currently right now, approximately 100 folks are searching for this every single month. Okay, and the last thing that I want to show you, your position. Your position is currently 26. Okay, so you're probably in like the third or fourth page of Google. Now let's look at your competition. How well is your competition doing? Same thing that I'm looking for, like how I did with yours. Content. Do they have 1,200 to 2,000 words of content? Sorry, 1,500 words to 2,000 words of content, and do they have specific? And these guys are your competition, ddr.com. So I'm looking once again for content. Do they have keywords? And on this specific page, they do not. I'm looking, but let's see what Ahrefs, remember the tool that I use? Let's see how well they're ranking, okay? So Ahrefs, I type in their specific web link, and let's see what's going on here. So if we look at here, AC Repair Sarasota, they are ranking for that keyword, and the volume of approximately 250 people search for this every single month. But look, they have a lot of keywords in Sarasota. Air conditioning repair, that's 250 as well. Sarasota air conditioning, 150. AC repair, Sarasota, Florida, 100 people search for this every single month. Now, this is quite a bit. So now if you were to add all of these together, imagine how much business they're getting specifically in Sarasota, because those are the keywords that they're being indexed for and what they're targeting. Now, the last thing I want to show you is, let's just take this keyword and put it into Google and let's see what pops up. Okay, we're going to take it section by section, and this is the last thing I'll show you on the video. One, this section here is the Google guarantee section. Okay, basically any company that's paying for Google ads. This section here as well, you see where it says sponsored, Google ads. Folks click on here or call, they get charged. Second section, which is my favorite, the Google My Business page. The reason why is because 30 to 40% of calls come from the Google My Business page. Couple things to help increase your rankings on here: reviews, is your content optimized, are your photos optimized? Just 3 things. There's a little bit more, but we can always talk if you want to learn more on how to do that. Last thing that I want to go over, Susan, is the organic listings. Currently, DNDR have the #1 ranking here. Then we have AC Warehouse, okay, and then we got a citation site, and then we have also cooltoday.com. Anyhow, these are just some of the tips that I would strongly recommend you reviewing. If you have more questions, please let me know, Susan. Email me back. I can answer more of your questions. I can help guide you on what else you can do to continue increasing your rankings on Google, outbeat your competition. If you can also give me some feedback, that would be awesome. Thank you so much for your time. We'll talk soon.